are the first company from Asia Pacific to be selected by the global giant Illumina for their accelerator program where we created our solutions. We are also backed by the global leaders in genomics and AI in terms of their scientific and business requirements. I'll come to what precision oncology is. Precision oncology means identifying the right treatment. And anything which means precision needs data. In cancer, however, a lot of that data is majorly biased towards Caucasian populations, and that's something that we want to change. The first and most important data that we need in cancer is the genomic. And to give you a perspective, 50% of cancer patients are from Asia, representing only 4% of genomic data. The other critical data that is needed in cancer is the clinical data, so that the right models can be done. However, in India, that data may not be obtained currently from the available solutions. We developed unique solutions in genomics and digital health, which is enabling us to collect this data at scale, and one, to enable the oncologist in identifying the right treatments today, but also to enable creation of the right kind of solutions for tomorrow from patients of our regions. To again give one example, we have one patient who came to us in 2021 where he was getting trained or treated with one standard of care therapy for 1 year and things were not helping. So the left side, if you see the image, this is after 1 year of treatment. We did the analysis, gave a recommendation, and 2 months after our recommendation, within 2 months, 1 year after the treatment, within 2 months of our recommendation, the patient was majorly responding to cancer treatment, and within a couple of more months, he was cancer free. We've enabled almost 14,000 plus patients through our test for their identification of treatments, and currently we are working across 9 countries. We are probably hoping to get into Switzerland very soon for not just getting our test there, but also identification of the right solutions there. We are a team of 180 people working with a single goal of giving cancer patients the best chance at fighting cancer, and we want to partner with the right kind of people to take our solutions further. Thank you.